Hello and welcome to this Virtofy tutorial. My name is André Weinhold and I'd like to show you how to manage your point of actions inside your Unity scene with the Virtofy for Unity plugin. To do so, let's get started with creating a point of action. Right click in the hierarchy, Virtofy, add point of action. And then you see here it creates a point of action. I move it a little bit over here. And there you can set the content mode. I will keep it with image. And then you can add images you like to show. Let's take these two pictures. I can copy and paste the point of action. I move it a little bit over here. So, okay. Change the mode to video. Just select the video. Other point of action will have audio source. So select an audio clip. And another type will have an animation. For the animation we select the Android. And I move this a little bit in front of the Android. So, and then we can also have the option for material. I will choose the floor material, I think. So there it is. Put it over there. Okay. And then I will add variation sets. Let's say these three here. I'll move it a little bit over there. Okay, and now check it in the app. Click build and run. Everything gets refreshed and compiled. App gets started. So, and here, let's start with the Android animation. You can see here the Android timeline, etc. works as expected. We have audio loop. Here we have video, fine, we have our image gallery with two images on it, okay. We have materials for the floor, okay, and we have the variation sets. And you can now change them in real time. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.